American 171, switching on the visual for 24 left.
American 171, lost of tower, Boeing 757 on a 3-mile final, caution late turbulence, wind calm, wind 24 left, clear land.
24 left, clear land, American 171.
171, additional job will hold in position. American 491, 2 left turns on to Echo and ground point 65. 2 left turns to Echo, ground point 65, American 191. Reduced to your slowest practical speed.
We're getting there. American 171.
932, traffic 4.5 mile final, be ready to go. 24 left, line up and wind.
Delta 93, line away, woke up.
Up 2116, left turn Alpha Alpha, straight ahead bridge route, and exit runway as quick as you can.
Alpha Alpha, bridge route, and Delta expedite, Delta 21.
West 1989, also tower taxi up 2, and hold short on the T4 left.
Up to and hold short, T4 left, Southwest 1989.
Up 2116, stay straight ahead, bridge route, ground point 4 at the checkpoint.
Delta 2116, straight ahead, bridge route, ground point 4 at the checkpoint.
Delta 932, RNAV Del Rey, wind calm, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
Delta 932, clear for takeoff, 24 right, RNAV Del Rey. Tower Delta 2218, 24 left, gate 55.
2218, Los Angeles Tower, traffic, Airbus A321, mile and a half final, additional traffic hold in position, wind calm, runway 24 left, clear 29.
24 left, clear land, Delta 2218.
American 171, go around, turn right, fly heading 270, climb and maintain 2000.
Go ahead. Go around, American 171, group is.
American 171, turn right heading 270, climb and maintain 2000.
Okay, 270, American 171.
Southwest 1989, traffic is now on a 5-mile final, over T4 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, Southwest at 1989.
932, contact SoCal departure, good day.
932, good day.
American 171, traffic session 11 o'clock and a mile and a half, climbing out of 1,400, a Boeing 737, still stay off your left.
Inside American 171.
171, maintain visual separation, contact SoCal departure, 125.2.
25.2, good, American 171.
American 171's got departure, radar contact, climb maintain 5,000.
5,000, American 171.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft ahead of us didn't get off the runway, so we had to go around. We're going to bring it right back, and we'll get you on the ground here very shortly. Sorry about the delay.
171, traffic at 2 o'clock, 5 miles northbound, 3,300 indicated, type unknown.
And we're looking at American 171.
American 171, turn right turn, heading 090, when able, proceed direct Santa Monica.
090, when able, direct Santa Monica, American 171.
Traffic's no factor, proceed direct Santa Monica, depart Santa Monica heading 070.
Direct Santa Monica, depart Santa Monica 070, American 171.
American 171, connect scale approach on 128.5, good day.
25, American 171. SoCal, American 171 with you, 5,000 and 070 out of Santa Monica.
American 171, SoCal approach, thank you. American 171, was there traffic on the runway?
That's affirmative. He was on the runway. Thanks.
American 171, change your runway to 25 left, the localizer frequency is 109.9.
25 left, American 171.
American 171, I'm sorry, it's 25 right today, localizer frequency is 111.1.
25 right, American 171, thank you. 171, descend and maintain 3000.
3000, American 171.
American 171, turn right, heading 160.
160, American 171.
American 171, turn right, heading 220, intercept 25 right, localizer.
220, 25 right, localizer, will join American 171. That's affirmative, American 171, field side.
American 171, thank you. Clear visual approach, runway 25 right.
25 right, cleared, position, American 171.
American 171, contact Los Angeles Tower 120.95. Good morning.
2095, going American 171. Hey, Los Angeles Tower, American 171, with you on the visual for 25 seconds.
American 171, LA Tower, caution, wake turbines, heavy Boeing 777, holding in position, wind 1703, runway 25 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, American 171, minimum fuel.
Roger. American 1243, turn right at Papa, turn right onto Bravo to clear the runway, traffic is waiting to go, and contact ground 0.75.
Okay, Papa Bravo on the ground, American 1243.
Sorry, 80-177 heavy, wind 1603, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff 25 right, sorry, 177 heading.
American 253 LA Tower, taxi to the full length.
253, full length.
American 189 LA Tower, taxi to the full length.
189.
Skywest 2869 LA Tower, taxi to the full length.
Full length, go, sorry.
American 171, take gate number.
48 Alpha.
Roger. Sorry, 80-177 heavy, contact SoCal departure.
43, sorry, 177 clear.
Southwest 3208, next to land 14 mile final, runway 25 right, line of way.
25 right, line of way, Southwest 3208.
American 2 LA Tower, taxi to the full length.
Full length, American 2.
Tower American 2250, 13 miles, approaching 25 right. American 2250 LA Tower, traffic holding in position, wind 1903, runway 25 right, clear to land, cautionary turbulence, the traffic in position will be Boeing 757. Clear to land, 25 right, American 2250.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to
American
welcome you to
171, turn right off the runway, turn right onto Bravo, contact ground point 75.
For your safety, we request you remain seated with your seatbelt
Right,
fastened
175, American
until we
171.
arrive at the gate. The captain has turned the fasten seatbelt sign on.
JetBlue 124, gateway to American, come off the runway here, then continue.
Cabin. We will be arriving today at gate
American 171, miles now,
48A,
turn right on Bravo.
and your baggage
Bravo,
claim is
American
1. For those passengers going on to
Delta
Dallas,
57
Fort
heavy
Worth,
push
you will
back
be
far enough to
departing
open up
gate
gate 48 Alpha there. The
42A,
American authorized going to that gate.
47B, San Diego,
Triple lift, push back south, fast,
44C, and Tokyo 41. Once again, you will be arriving at gate 48A, and your baggage claim is 1. On behalf of your entire New York-based flight crew, we certainly do appreciate you traveling with us today, and we hope to see you once again on American Airlines. Thank you, and everyone have a very pleasant rest of your day.
Bravo, short of Tango.
Bravo, short of Tango, American 45.